Okay, today I'm going to review Wheelie again. This time it's been done in a different codec, so we should have no audio sync problems this time with any luck. You get your instructions. You can use the top row for demonstration and stuff. Let's start the game anyway. So here we go. This is a bouncing hedgehogs, and basically we go on our motorbike. It's like a crosser, I think. Oops! Oh, you fuck! That's too fast. I went too fast a bit that time. Let's do a little less speed. Oh, that was too slow. I'll jump over this buzz. Let's try again. Way! Woohoo! Oh my god! Oh, you piff! Damn it. Got it. Woohoo! Pull a wheelie if you go faster. Wheelie! Oh, you shouldn't go that fast down there. You're liable to come off your motorbike and kill yourself. You think I'm dead? I think I need an ambulance. Let's start again, shall we? That's just a card entry screen. I pressed that by mistake. I don't know any passwords. So, as you can see, the graphics are quite nice for its age. Nice and fun game, I do have to admit. Got the top row this time. Oh, you fuck! Who left that there? Who left that there, man? Okay, go down. Try the other way. Slow down for the hill. Nah, I wanna go down there, you biffer. Oh, you fake. I'm supposed to go a little bit slower over them. Oh, you fuck. Let's try that again. Whoa, watch out for the bouncing hedgehogs. I kill ya. God knows why there's bouncing hedgehogs. Get the gas, because you do have a limited amount of fuel as well. So we get slow down for the hills, of course. Yeah. It's a great game to play when you've had your cider. Woohoo! Let's go. Thrashing it now. Whoa! Oh, you fuck! Anyway, it's a great game. Wheelie for the ZX Spectrum gets a 9 out of 10.